It is hard to believe we are not in a hospital. In fact, we are in one of the classrooms of Institut Bonanova Professional Training School. This space is the example of what Institut Bonanova offers to approach their pupils as much as possible to real life. Institut Bonanova gives them the right tools and studies to become a professional health visitor, as well as a healthcare professional with the highest level of knowledge. Established 30 years ago, it maintains the same aim which inspired its foundation, to offer an excellent education and a professional knowledge to the students, so they become the best medical healthcare technicians to serve the society. Its quality, its experience and its advanced methods makes that possible. The center has now 1,300 students, and that number increases year after year, as well as the spaces and the technology. Since its establishment, the Professional Training School has been officially approved by the Catalan government and the town council. The school is very proud of having been recognized as a preferential professional training school and a reference for all other schools. Institut Bonanova is a part of Parc de Salut Mar, located by the coastline of Barcelona. It is one of the most dynamic focus of knowledge of the city, and their technicians are highly valued for their qualifications. Parc de Salut Mar is a consortium of different health institutions related with healthcare, research and schools, working all together with only one aim: to offer the highest quality healthcare and an efficient medical attention to the society. The leading centers located in Parc de Salut Mar constitute a very singular, unique and competitive health institutions, professional training schools and specialized centers. For those who wish to discover this health system, the school offers professional studies and special certified courses of high and medium degrees. The school offers 5 high degrees courses. Technicians in pathological anatomy and cytology process biopsies and cytological samples as a support for the diagnosis and research. They apply special techniques in histochemicals and molecular pathology. They also proceed research with cytological screenings, and they give support and cooperate to develop the clinical necropsies and legal medicals. Technicians in health and sanitary documents learn how to define and clarify the organization of information and clinical documents. They also learn how to codificate the documents and how to obtain the maximum knowledge of the health results database. Technicians in radiotherapy apply treatments according to medical prescription. They guarantee the accomplishment of dosimetry and radiotherapy rules of protection. The communication and deal with the patients, as well as to offer them comfort, are an essential and an important part of their work. Technicians of clinical diagnosis laboratory learn to carry out studies in biological samples in the different areas of biomedicine. They will be qualified to work in the laboratories of clinical diagnosis, of research, and also in the biotechnological industry, chemists and cosmetics. The students of Image for the Diagnosis learn how to obtain graphical records and registries from morphological and functional types, applying different techniques of digital radiology, resonance, tomography, and nuclear medicine. In these processes, communication and personalized and direct deal with the patients are absolutely essential. Institut Bonanova also offers 2 cycles of medium degree. Infirmary auxiliary care technicians are members of the welfare health teams of the sanitary centers. They provide auxiliary healthcare to the patient, watching carefully the health, sanitary and hygienic conditions of their work and environment. Social health technicians pay personal attention to persons with special needs, physical, psychic or social, as well as patients with serious injuries, disabled or convalescent. They operate in the patient's home or in the health centers in order to promote this person's autonomy, maintain their family relationships, as well as with their environment and help work integration. The task of the Institut Bonanova Professional Training School is not only limited to the initial professional training. They also offer more than 50 specific courses addressed to unemployed and workers who wish to get more knowledge and experience. These are the training courses for employment, which consider several subjects and items, so different as the prevention and treatment of ulcers by pressure, mental patients in social sanitary centers, or a specific course of quality control in the teletherapy units. Institut Bonanova is part of the center's FPCAT network, professional training schools. They have started off an experimental and unique project to integrate the studies of social health worker and the final certificates and qualifications for professional training. This enables and allows a new future project to integrate the students of initial professional training studies, unemployed persons and workers in the same study space. Success is one of the priorities of Institut Bonanova. Up to 85% of the pupils found a job along the following year they got their degree. The education and training in the working centers and companies is carried out through agreements with about 80 sanitary and social healthcare companies. Since the beginning, the students are in a direct contact with the last generation healthcare technologies, and they benefit with high-experienced teachers who know the reality of their profession and career. Institut Bonanova works intensively to achieve the goal to give the right prestige, day after day, of the professional training in the healthcare and social sanitary. The success of their students in the working world is the best stimulus to continue looking into the coming future with joy and responsibility. Institut Bonanova Professional Training School moves on the knowledge, moves on the people.